In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel CapCut app subscription. First, open the App Store for your device. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. We'll be managing the subscription directly through the store you used to sign up, which is the safest and most reliable way to stop future charges. Next, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This opens your account area where you can manage purchases, settings, and most importantly for today, your subscriptions. In the account view, find the subscriptions option and tap it. If you have more than one subscription, you'll see a list here. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID or Google account you used for CapCut so it appears correctly. Now find CapCut in your list of active subscriptions. It should show as active at the top and display your current plan and renewal date. Tap CapCut to open its subscription details. This page lets you see your billing period and payment method, and it's where you'll find the option to cancel. Look for cancel subscription and tap it. The store may ask you to confirm your choice, and sometimes it offers a short survey or reminders about what you'll lose when you cancel. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation to stop auto renewal. Keep in mind, canceling stops future charges, but you'll typically keep access to any premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you're not cutting off access immediately. You're simply preventing the next renewal. If you prefer to keep using the benefits until your renewal date and then let it lapse, you can confirm the cancellation and you'll be covered through that end date automatically. If you changed your mind and want to keep the subscription active, you can back out before confirming. And if you decide later to subscribe again, you can return to the same subscriptions area and restart it at any time. That's all you need to do. Open your device's app store, go to your profile, choose subscriptions, select CapCut, tap cancel subscription, and confirm. For peace of mind, take note of the renewal date shown on the screen so you know exactly when access will end. If you don't see CapCut listed, double check that you're signed into the correct account you originally used. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more clear practical tutorials.